What's up, guys? Man, it is a great day. Had a shitty day in the beginning, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. This day started out very bad, and it turned around, and I just came home, and it just got even better. And let me show you guys the reason why. Now, I think what I'm about to show you is all gonna be different videos, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. So, the whole purpose in today's video lies right here inside this box. I'm going to show you this side so you guys don't see my address. I know you all want to stalk me and stuff, but I need some privacy too, guys. Anyways, right inside this box, we have the brand new side skirts. I'm super happy about. We'll go over more of that when we actually get outside. But we did go legit KBD. Right here, this came actually really early, and I'm so happy. This is the wrap, so now I could actually finish wrapping the quarter panel today. And so that way the car, I'm actually attending a show on Saturday. Today's Thursday, so now the wrap, I can wrap the quarter panel, the car's gonna look decent. And then coming in here, right in this box, I have my brand new depot taillights. So you guys are going to be seeing all of that in a next video, but damn, I love coming home to car parts. And then I have more car parts right here as well. Bought a new resonator. I've had this actually for a good minute, but we got this new resonator that we're going to be installing. And then right into this box, we have a plenum spacer. So, buddy, say hi. Oh yeah, oh yeah, okay, what else? Okay, sounds good. That's Woody, guys. You're gonna start seeing more of him in the channel, huh, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put you on a shirt one day, and you're gonna become famous. Alright, guys, I already went ahead and brought out the box out here. So let me go ahead and talk real quick. So, I love these side skirts, but what's in this box, I actually bought in these side skirts before, but Duraflex version of them, and they came up extremely short, didn't fit for crap. So I went ahead and bought these, which are also Duraflex, and the fitment is pretty close, but for what I want this car to be, these are just not gonna cut it, guys. So we're gonna be getting these pulled off, and we're gonna be slapping these on. But before we do remove them, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we got. So like I said, they are KBDs, so they bend. Hopefully the fitment on these are great. I hear they are, so we'll have to lay these out in the sun most likely for a bit. Let them take shape. But here they are, guys. They're obviously, as you can tell, a lot more simple. Try to push this in. Ugh, that is hard. Well, we'll do it later. They're a lot more simple. They're not as aggressive, I don't think, but they are still very big, so they're gonna sit just as low as those skirts that I have right now. So I am so happy, guys. Let's see if there's anything else. Just paperwork. So freaking hyped. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these actually out in the sun right now, and then while those are baking, let's go ahead and get these bad boys removed. Alright, with just those 3 screws in the middle, you can see the fitment is like perfect almost. Let me know what you guys think. So really, yeah, just a screw here, and then pull this up a bit and a screw there. This fitment is not the greatest. It's not the best, but you know what? It's probably gonna have to do. I had to pull off the rear wheel to get that screwed in. She's all bolted down. Fitment wise, you have a little bit of a gap here, and then, you know, it's not flush with the bumper unless you like push it in. So that's just one thing, but not really an issue, to be honest. This fitment is much better than that. I'm not gonna air the car out yet. Actually, I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll just see how she looks. We'll savor the moment until it's all done, but I am so happy, guys. Cannot wait to see how she looks. Alright guys, I just finished it up and I think they look really good, but a couple things. The rear actually does not sit on the floor anymore like the old side skirts did. The fronts do. So a couple options. One, I could rock it like this, because that's how they are now. Okay, I can fit my hand. The only reason why I raised up the rear in the past was because of these side skirts. Now, the rears used to actually look like that. So comment down below if you guys think I should do it. I might. I think I'm gonna do it, to be honest with you. Drop it about an inch again to where the entire thing is back on the floor now that I'm able to do it, and then we'll get rid of that right there and it'll look pretty much like that. So I think that's gonna look good. These were on the floor. Like I said, that's the only reason why we had to raise the rear. So it does squish it a little bit right here, as you can see. It's bowed out, but whatever, it is what it is. But there they are. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, I love them. I think they look a lot better. So the rear, yeah, we're gonna do it. Actually, we're gonna drop this bitch down, and it's gonna look good for when we have that rear bumper on. She should sit pretty damn close to the floor. The only other issue might be the exhaust, but no, we'll be fine. That exhaust pipe right there, that little thing right there, might actually sit on the floor. The resonator might sit on the floor. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what to do. I think we're gonna keep it for now. I would like it all to be on the floor, to be completely honest with you. Like these were, I was hoping it was going to be the same, but whatever. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think. When it airs out, because it bows, it does pop that out a little bit. Same thing on this side. It does pop it out right there. And then this rear is actually worse than the other side. I don't know. Like, I don't want to have to put a screw in the middle like I did on the other ones, but let me know what you guys think.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hold get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more
guys, she's finally back to her formal glory. By all means, it's not perfect. The windows, I still need work on how to make those better. This is all good, but then this kind of shows a little bit of silver. Not too really worried about it. It is what it is. It looks great to me. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But the damage though, man, check that out. You can't even, like, dude, I'm happy. Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what do you guys think of the side skirts and the quarter panel. She's looking great. In the next video guys, we're going to be slapping on the new rear bumper. Don't miss it. Hit that bell notification. Stay tuned. I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.